I'm like, you're on to something here. Okay, so my hair, I washed it, I want to say yesterday, but I didn't do anything to it. I don't even think I put conditioner or leave-in in it. It's bad, I know, but like I was very tired. Alright, so my hair is dry because I didn't style it. It feels, you know what that feels like. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this into this. And all right, so first I'm going to start off by parting my hair down the middle. Okay, this is just to put some moisture back into my hair because, like, sis, you're a little dry right now. I'm gonna take my water spray thingy. This is the mist one. Every time I do this, I feel like I'm like wetting the lawn, like, you know, just putting water on your flowers and your bushes, because this literally is a bush. Moisturized hair is the best. Now I'm going to take this combing cream. It's really good and it smells astronomical, you know, because we no longer say amazing, we say astronomical. This is the Deeply Restoring Praxi Oil Recovery Combing Cream. This is by Organics, OGX. All right, make sure you get your ends, comb it through with your hands. Okay, your hands are the best comb. Now I'm going to wrap it up in a little low bun to work on the other side. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I always keep a hair towel. This towel, even when I wash it, I know it's my hair towel. I don't mix it with any of my face towels. It's just full of like product. Whenever I'm done with the product, just clean my hands with it. Now I'm gonna take this fine tooth comb. I'm gonna go right directly in the middle of my head. It's just the middle. So I am gonna be honest, I don't even know why I got this comb exactly. This comb is very hard to use. It's so small that, you know, you can get your hairs mixed up. You don't know which one to grab. Okay, this looks like the middle. So something I've been using also is this, it's called Tangle Teaser. It's really good to, I guess it's like a comb. It's much better than a comb, to be honest. Oh, look at that. See, this makes me want to just leave my hair all curled. Oh, not gonna do that. Well, yeah, so I'm just not really going to into my head, just the top, because I want everything to lay flat when I do my bun. Okay, so I made sure that my hair is easily like combable. There's no like weird lumps of uncombed hair, you know what I mean? Oh, this is so therapeutic. Okay, Nicole, stop. Since I put this, that's like my styling, I'm just gonna go into making sure I flatten out my hair and start doing like the ponytail that I want. So I'm using my brush here. I like to start on this side, make sure it's nice and flat. And now I'm going around. Have that nice and flat for the most part, as much as we could. And now you're gonna use your scrunchie. Now you're gonna tie a ponytail, not too tight, just a little ponytail. Now boom, right? So this is where all the slicking down comes into. So I have my gel. I buy the big one, so I don't have to keep buying it. So I'm going to apply, I have the gel in my hand, rub it between my fingers and just slick down my hair like this, right? This is just a nice little layer of gel. Make sure you put it all the way to your scrunchie. And now you're gonna use this brush. This is a dual side. I don't really use the soft side, I use the hard side. And we're going to slick down your hair up to the ponytail like that. Okay, nice and slick, right? So now what you're gonna do is you're going to take out while applying pressure. Okay, this is a very important part. You're going to slick your hair back by applying pressure with your hands. And then you're gonna grab onto your ponytail and take off the hair tie while still applying pressure to your ponytail where it is. So this is just making the ponytail tighter and all the hair is just back into the ponytail after you have slicked it down. So this one you gotta do real tight, right? Nice and sleek. You see that slickness? Looking real nice, right? Okay. Now you got the gel part. We're gonna use this, okay? This is Moco de Gorilla. So I'm gonna take some Moco de Gorilla. I don't use that much, just nice little dot. And I apply this to my edges, like so. And maybe the top here. Okay, I'm going to use my toothbrush. I use a regular toothbrush. And I go into my gel. Dab, dab, dab. And now I do my edges. Am I the best edge person? Probably not. But, you know, I do what works for me. I usually typically do my hair before makeup. But for the sake of this video, I did another video earlier, so my makeup's done. Don't want no flyaways. So I like to use oil on my part because for a while this was my favorite hairstyle, and then I was doing it so many times that I was, you know, getting some dry patches here and my hair was falling out. So I have this oil. This is from Coils and Curls. This is Annie's Garden Trio, so it's a nice oil. I think it's like grapeseed based. So I put it on my part, so my part stays nice and moisturized, like that. And now it's very important to use a cotton fabric, specifically like a jersey. I like the jersey as a, or a silk one. Silk ones are good too, to wrap and tighten your hair. And I tie like this, kind of tight, not too tight. Wrap it around and tighten it back here. And just, this is the part where I'll start doing my makeup. So I leave it on for a while. I'll come back after like maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So I've had this for a while now. Let's say a pretty long while if you ask me. I got distracted, started doing other things. But do you see that? I just take it off and like it's nice and slick, right? So I put my hair in a bun, but that's not what we're doing. So after, you know, you take off your wrap, now it's time to do the bun, right? I'm going to take this olive oil moisturizing hair lotion. This is the one infused with castor oil. Take about this much. And I'm gonna rake it through my ends, just to moisturize those ends. Now, my little sock bun. This is legit a sock. Can you see me? Okay, yeah. You put it through the sock, and you need a scrunchie. Now you're going to open up your ponytail around the sock. Open it up. I hope that most of the sock is covered. And then I just start sort of tucking it in and turning it, tucking and turning, tucking and turning, like so. And then I use my scrunchie and tie it around twice, like so. And that is my bun. Sock is covered. From the looks back here, it is all covered. So yeah, I think that's it. Right? That's all I do. I don't put bobby pins because for the most part my hair does stay down and I don't have any like short hairs. If you might have like layers, you might want to put some bobby pins back there. But this is the finished look. It's a nice slick bun. I did use a couple products. I'll link them down below. But this is one of my favorites, most easiest hairstyles when I don't want to deal with all my hair. I put in this slick back bun and call it a day. Okay, so this was my first hair video. I hope you guys liked it. I will try to do more hair videos. It's just hair to me is a lot. Okay, so that's why, you know, I don't have many on my channel. But thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.